If you don't remember your Apple ID password, it will be a little troublesome on turn off Find My iPhone, but we still can do that. This video will show you how to use iPhone Passcode Genius to quickly turn off Find My without passcode. Go to Download and install License Share iPhone Passcode Genius on your PC. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Then launch the software. Then the following operations are different according to different situations. Situations 1. Find My iPhone is disabled. Connect your iPhone to computer. Select Remove Apple ID. Note, the operation will erase the data. Click the Start button to remove the Apple ID. If the Find Me iPhone turn off, you will get the Apple ID removed in minutes. Situations 2. Find My iPhone is enabled and iPhone iOS version is below iOS 11.4. For the iPhone with the iOS below 11.4 and Find My iPhone feature is enabled, you need to reset all settings on iPhone. Tap Settings, General, Reset all settings. Then type your screen passcode to confirm the action. Reset all settings. After that, the program will remove your Apple ID and iCloud account in minutes. When the process comes to an end, your iPhone restarts and you can now set up it with a different Apple ID. Situations 3. Find My iPhone is enabled and iPhone iOS version is iOS 11.4 or above. Select Remove Apple ID option. Enter OOO and click the Next button to go ahead. Confirm two-factor authentication is turned on. Then enter OOO and click the Next button to continue. Hit the Download button to download the firmware package. Read the notes carefully. Click the Remove button and the program will start to remove your Apple ID. When the unlocking process is complete, your iPhone will restart immediately. After that, you can set up the iPhone until you are in the activation lock screen. You need to choose Unlock with Passcode. Then enter the screen passcode to remove your previous Apple ID. After that, you can finish the setup and use another Apple ID on the iPhone. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.